When it comes to buying a Honda, the goal is to find models that offer reliability, style, and good value. Honda has built a solid reputation for crafting durable vehicles, but not all models are created equal. So, in this video, we will reveal the top Hondas to buy, ensuring you get the best bang for your buck. Ready to discover your next reliable ride? Let's dive right in. Number 1. Honda Civic, 2007 to 2011. If you're looking for a small car that won't break the bank, the 2007 to 2011 Honda Civic is your best bet. These models are known for their durability, stylish design, and excellent fuel efficiency. They're reliable and require minimal maintenance, making them perfect for budget-conscious buyers. Why does the Civic stand out? For one, its sleek design has aged gracefully, and it still looks modern today. On top of that, these Civics are known for their low repair costs and impressive longevity. If you can find one in good condition, it's definitely worth the investment. Expect to pay between $4,000 and $6,000 for a well-maintained model. Number 2. Honda Accord, 2013 and newer. When it comes to mid-size sedans, the 2013 and newer Honda Accord is a top choice. Honda addressed previous issues with earlier models, making these newer Accords more reliable and less problematic. They come with a range of features that enhance comfort and convenience, and their modern design ensures they still look stylish. What makes the 2013 Accord stand out? It has a smooth ride, strong engine performance, and an easy-to-use infotainment system. Additionally, its spacious interior and high safety ratings make it a solid choice for families. Plus, parts are widely available and reasonably priced, making repairs and maintenance hassle-free. Number 3. Honda CR-V, 2008 to 2011. The 2008 to 2011 Honda CR-V is an outstanding choice if you're in the market for a reliable SUV. Known for its dependability, this model avoids the transmission issues that plagued some other Hondas of its time. The CR-V offers a stylish design that still looks modern, combined with impressive fuel efficiency and ample interior space. It's a practical vehicle for families or anyone needing a versatile daily driver. The CR-V's well-crafted interior and smooth ride make it a standout in its class. Additionally, it provides a good balance of comfort, cargo capacity, and reliability, making it a top pick in the used SUV market. For those comparing it to the Toyota RAV4, the CR-V often shines with its superior design and overall value. Number 4. Honda Odyssey, 2012 and newer. The 2012 and newer Honda Odyssey is an excellent pick for those in need of a family-friendly van. This generation of Odyssey addressed previous issues including problematic transmissions and switched from timing belts to timing chains, which reduces maintenance costs. It offers a spacious interior with innovative features such as sliding second-row seats and plenty of cargo space, making it ideal for families. The newer Odyssey models are also equipped with modern technology and safety features, enhancing convenience and peace of mind. With its reliable performance and family-focused design, the Odyssey stands out as a top choice in the minivan segment, providing both comfort and practicality for everyday use. Number 5. Honda S, 2000 and NSX. When it comes to sports cars, the Honda S, 2000 and NSX are often discussed. While both models have their merits, they might not deliver the thrilling experience some enthusiasts seek. The S2000 is known for its high-revving engine and agile handling, but it lacks the raw power and excitement of more prestigious sports cars. The NSX, while impressive, can feel less exhilarating compared to competitors like Ferrari. If you're in the market for a true sports car experience, you might want to explore other options. Despite their performance, these Hondas might not offer the intense driving thrill that dedicated sports cars are known for, making them less ideal if high-octane excitement is your goal. Choosing the right Honda can make all the difference in your driving experience. The models highlighted here, Civic, Accord, CR-V, Odyssey, and Honda S2000, offer exceptional reliability and performance, ensuring you get a great value for your money. If this guide helped you find your perfect Honda, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more insightful content. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video.
Have you ever wondered which Jaguars stand out as the most reliable? Well, wonder no more. In this video, we'll dive into the world of Jaguar automobiles to uncover the top 10 most reliable models. From sleek sedans to powerful SUVs, Jaguar has a rich history of crafting luxury vehicles that blend style and performance. So, without further ado, let's begin. Number 1. 2017 Jaguar F-Type. Kicking off our list is the 2017 Jaguar F-Type, a true successor to the iconic E-Type. Boasting sleek lines and a powerful presence, the F-Type commands attention on the road. With options ranging from a spirited 2.0-liter inline-4 bi-turbo to a roaring 5.0-liter V8, this beauty offers performance in abundance. And let's not forget the limited edition Project 7, a rare gem coveted by enthusiasts worldwide. With accolades from J.D. Power and Edmunds, the 2017 F-Type proves reliability can coexist with exhilaration. Number 2. 2012-2014 Jaguar XK. Next up, we have the 2012-2014 Jaguar XK, a testament to Jaguar's commitment to excellence. With a lineage traced back to its Top Gear awarded predecessor, the XK blends performance and luxury effortlessly. Whether cruising down the highway or tackling winding roads, this GT marvels at every turn. And with stellar ratings from Edmunds, the XK proves its mettle as a reliable companion on any journey. Number 3. 2005 Jaguar X-Type. Moving along, we encounter the 2005 Jaguar X-Type, a trailblazer in Jaguar's lineup. Breaking barriers as Jaguar's first all-wheel drive production car, the X-Type set a new standard for elegance and performance. Its refined styling and spirited performance captivate drivers, earning acclaim from critics and consumers alike. With rave reviews from Cars.com, Edmunds, and RepairPal, the X-Type secures its place among Jaguar's most reliable offerings. Number 4. 2017 Jaguar XE. Venturing into the sedan segment, we explore the 2017 Jaguar XE, a paragon of sophistication and reliability. With a choice of potent engines and timeless design cues, the XE exudes confidence on every drive. Garnering praise for its reliability from J.D. Power, the XE proves that luxury need not compromise dependability. As it gracefully exits the U.S. market, the 2017 XE leaves behind a legacy of style and substance. Number 5. 2005 Jaguar S-Type. Now let's turn our attention to the 2005 Jaguar S-Type, a blend of elegance and performance. With refined engines and impeccable styling, the S-Type captivates discerning drivers seeking a luxurious ride. Boasting long-distance comfort and impressive reliability, the 2005 S-Type earns accolades from Edmunds, cementing its status as a timeless classic. Number 6. 2009 Jaguar XJ Portfolio. Stepping into the realm of luxury sedans, we encounter the 2009 Jaguar XJ Portfolio, a pinnacle of opulence and performance. With a supercharged V8 engine and sporty suspension, the XJ Portfolio delivers exhilarating performance with every press of the pedal. Praised for its reliability by U.S. News and Edmunds, the XJ Portfolio redefines luxury motoring with unmatched refinement. Number 7. 2013-2015 Jaguar XFR XFRS. Embracing the thrill of high-performance driving, we unveil the 2013-2015 Jaguar XFR XFRS. With a potent supercharged V8 engine and aggressive styling, the XFRS commands respect on the road. Despite initial reliability concerns, later model years receive praise for their dependability, making them sought-after gems for enthusiasts craving power and poise. Number 8. 2019 Jaguar F-Pace. Turning our gaze to the realm of SUVs, we encounter the 2019 Jaguar F-Pace, a fusion of practicality and performance. With a range of powertrains and advanced safety features, the F-Pace redefines the luxury SUV segment. Garnering high reliability ratings from U.S. News and J.D. Power, the 2019 F-Pace offers peace of mind without compromising on style or capability. Number 9. 1994-1997 Jaguar XJ6. Delving into Jaguar's illustrious history, we revisit the 1994-1997 Jaguar XJ6, a symbol of timeless elegance and refinement. With a range of engines and luxurious appointments, the XJ6 epitomizes Jaguar's commitment to luxury motoring. Praised for its reliability and performance, the XJ6 remains a coveted classic among enthusiasts and collectors alike. Number 10. 2017 Present Jaguar E-Pace. Concluding our journey, we encounter the 2017 present Jaguar E-Pace, a testament to Jaguar's evolution in the modern era. Built on a platform shared with Land Rover, the E-Pace offers versatility and performance in a compact package. Despite minor reliability issues, the E-Pace showcases Jaguar's commitment to innovation and excellence in every mile traveled. And there you have it, the top 10 most reliable Jaguars of all time. From sleek sports cars to versatile SUVs, Jaguar has a rich history of crafting vehicles that combine performance, luxury, and dependability. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more amazing content. Thanks for watching.